In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Autodesk Revit. If you've ever felt that your canvas is too bright, too dark, or just hard on the eyes, adjusting the background color can make modeling more comfortable and improve how your geometry reads on screen. This is a quick setting and it only affects how Revit looks to you. It doesn't change the colors of your elements or the way they print on sheets. Start by opening Revit on your computer. Once the application is up, head to the top left corner of the window and open the File menu. This is the same menu where you'd normally go to create a new project, open an existing one, or manage your application settings. At the very bottom of that File menu, click Options. This is where Revit keeps all the application level preferences that affect your workspace. When the Options window appears, look to the panel on the left and select Graphics. This section controls how Revit displays your model on screen, including a handful of visual conventions and color settings. In the Graphics page, find the Colors section. Within that area, look for the setting labeled Background. Here you'll choose the backdrop that sits behind your model. You can select white, black, or custom color. White works well if you prefer a paper-like workspace or if you're matching what your drawings look like on sheets. Black is great for high contrast, especially if you're coming from CAD environments or you're working in a dim room, because it can make edges and line work pop. If you pick custom color, you can dial in something gentler on the eyes, like a soft gray or a muted blue. Aim for a low saturation shade so your elements remain the focus and your view maintains good contrast. Remember, this choice is about comfort and clarity. Pick what helps you see details without strain. After you've made your selection, click OK to apply the new background color. Revit will immediately update your views to reflect the change so you can see the difference right away. If the result feels too stark or too dull, you can return to the same place and try a different option. This setting is global for your Revit session, so it carries across views and projects on your machine, but it won't override the appearance of printed sheets or change model materials. That's all it takes. Adjust as needed and revisit this setting anytime your lighting conditions or personal preference change.